Ladies and gentlemen, the entire Asia is burning right now. Across Asia, several countries are involved in conflicts such as Afghanistan versus Pakistan, Iran versus Israel, Russia versus Ukraine, and China versus Taiwan. First, let's talk about Afghanistan and Pakistan conflict. The tension we see today between these two countries didn't start recently. It goes back to 1979. The 1979 war is known as the Soviet-Afghan War. In this war, the Soviet Union sent its army into Afghanistan to gain control, but things didn't go as a plan. At the same time, the United States supported to Pakistan so that the Mujahideen could fight against the Soviets. From here, Afghanistan became a global battleground. Then from 1989 to 2000, the Taliban ruled most of Afghanistan and Pakistan supported them to increase its influence. Meanwhile, India supported the Afghan government. This is where the indirect rivalry between India and Pakistan began. In 2001, the US entered the scene. After the September attacks, the US attacked the Afghanistan and removed the Taliban government.
On my orders, the United States military has begun strikes against al-Qaeda terrorist training camps and military installations of the Taliban regime in Afghanistan.
At the time, India started development work in Afghanistan, while Pakistan was accused of secretly supporting the Taliban. From 2001 to 2020, India showed strong support for Afghanistan. India built roads, dams, buildings, and many more structures. This was become biggest strength relations between Afghanistan and India. But at the side, Pakistan was not happy with his growing influence, leading to ongoing proxy conflicts. The biggest change came in 2021 when US forces withdraw. The Taliban quickly took control of Afghanistan again, changing the entire power balance. Pakistan initially appeared stronger, which were originally formed against the USSR and India. Pakistan have connections with several groups in Afghanistan. Because of these groups, India's projects and embassies operations in Afghanistan were affected. From 2001 to 2026, the Taliban remains in power in Afghanistan. However, due to border issues, especially the Durat land dispute, tension between Taliban and Pakistan have increased.